Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Today I'm going to make a letter keychain like this. I'm going to make this for one of my subscribers who has been very supportive of my YouTube channel. She's been watching every time, making comments and sharing my videos to her friends. And that is Caroline from Lucena City, Philippines. Hello Caroline, this is for you. And for you out there, my other subscribers, please keep on watching and sharing my videos to your friends. And I'm thinking of giving away more keychains. So I invite you all to watch and subscribe and like and share my videos. And I hope you guys would have fun and learn something from my videos every time. So come on, let's go and make our letter keychain. So these are what we're going to use for our project today. First, I have this alphabet mold. I'm going to use the letter C for Caroline, and these are my magic resin. I have UV resin, then I have my pearls and gold that I'm gonna use as decoration, and then the name that I'm gonna use, which I have printed from my label maker. Okay, I will start by mixing my magic resin, 1:1 ratio. Just stir slowly until it's well incorporated, and you'll be able to see that it will turn cloudy first, and then later on it's going to be clear. So what we're gonna do, after stirring this for 2 minutes, we will set it aside and let it thicken a little bit for 15 to 20 minutes, because magic resin cure faster than other resin, especially if the weather is a little bit warm like today. So let's set it aside. Before doing everything, I made a design of my project. As you can see, this is letter C. Caroline is there on the inverted, and then this will be the pearls, gold, and one more pearl, and little pearls. Okay, so I make it that way so I can follow it, and don't forget that I have a plan. Okay, it's so hard now. It's dried and fully cured from the UV lamp. Now, I'm gonna pour a little bit of this. And we will wait until it becomes a little bit sticky for about 15 more minutes. When it becomes sticky, it's easier to put our decorations, and it will not float or move away from its position. So now that it's already sticky, we will now start to put our decorations. So now it's time to unmold our project, our letter keychain. Let us see how it looks like. Okay, so let's see. Wow, so I was able to do it according to my plan. The only thing that's left to do is put the chain here. But first, let's take a look at the outcome of our project. Let's see how shiny it is. As you can see there. Beautiful. All the details are there. The name for Caroline, and you can see all the materials that we used. Gold here, gold there, this colored pearls here and here, and the gold here too, and the little pearls, and all the pearls. So by the way, these pearls and gold I got from Amazon. These are what they use for nail art, so you can order everything from Amazon. Okay, I'm so happy with our gold and pearl letter keychain, which is, I think, very, very successful. Okay, so now let us put our chain. What I do, I put everything first together, the chain, the jump ring, and this little hook that will be attached to the keychain. I organize them like this, put them all together like that, and there you go. Now should put the hole using this hand drill. Let's put it steady like this, and then at the middle just poke it. Clean it with alcohol, 70% or higher alcohol content. Just wipe it. All resin products will be cleaned by alcohol. Don't use water in cleaning your resin products. Use alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Gold and pearl, nice combination. I hope you liked our video today, guys, and if you want to see more of my projects in resin art, just subscribe to my channel, Menchie's Art and Hobbies, so you can watch all my video about resin. Thank you very much, and please subscribe, like, and share. So thank you guys for watching my video today. It's really fun to make those letter keychains. So keep on tuning in, watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share. And watch out for my upcoming giveaway program for you, my dear subscribers. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.